Hello, my name is Adam Winrich, and I'm going to be demonstrating a whip crack called the Tasmanian Cutback. It is a crack where the whip cracks behind your back. The Tasmanian Cutback looks like this. Now, one thing required of the Tasmanian Cutback is flexibility. So before you attempt that crack, see how far you can get your hand up your spine behind your back, as you'll need that flexibility to be able to do the crack and to get it to go off loudly. Now, the first step in doing the Tasmanian Cutback is first you have to be able to swing the whip back like that and not hit this shoulder. That's the first thing that happened to me when I took a whole week to learn how to do this crack when I first learned it. First, swing the whip up that way and be able to get to clear this shoulder and your head. Notice that I have the handle out at a slight angle pointing away from my back. The next step will be to then bring the whip back down the other way to get it to crack. When you bring the whip back, you have to get it to clear your other shoulder when it comes back the other way. If you don't clear your shoulder, I'll see if I can screw up. If you don't clear your shoulder, it looks like this. Once you can clear your left shoulder coming up and your right shoulder coming down, you just have to pull the whip out to be able to do the crack. With a Tasmanian Cutback, you can do a couple combinations. You can go from the overhead crack directly into the Tasmanian Cutback, like this. You can also incorporate a fast figure 8 into the Tasmanian Cutback, like this. There you have it, the Tasmanian Cutback. If you like this video, please leave a rating of 5 stars. Thank you.